For this video, let's take a look at this limit. The limit as x approaches 4 of the square root of x minus 2 divided by x minus 4. This is a rational function, so let's kind of go through our checklist. Can I directly plug in 4? The limit as x approaches 4, so can I plug in 4? The answer is no, because if I attempt to plug in 4, I would get 4 minus 4 equals 0 in the denominator, and so I cannot just simply plug in 4. So what I will do instead is I will multiply by the conjugate, and specifically the conjugate of the numerator. So square root of x minus 2 over x minus 4. Okay, let me just rewrite this. Limit as x approaches 4 of square root of x minus 2 over x minus 4. And then I will multiply by the second fraction, square root of x plus 2 over square root of x plus 2. So I've made the problem messier, which is typically what you do not do when doing algebra problems. The reason I do this is because the bottom, I don't multiply out, I just leave it as is, x minus 4 times square root of x plus 2. But I will multiply out the numerator, and the numerator has the form of the difference of two squares. So this has the form of a minus b times a plus b, if I take a look at just the numerator. And so the numerator is going to be, if I'm the formula from algebra, that's equal to a squared minus b squared. And so this will be equal to square root of x quantity squared minus 2 quantity squared. So I get the limit as x approaches 4 of x minus 4 over x minus 4 times the square root of x plus 2. Okay, now as x is approaching 4 but does not actually equal 4, so I am permitted to cancel the x minus 4s. And so I get the limit as x approaches 4 of 1 over the square root of x plus 2. Okay, now once again I ask the question, am I permitted to simply plug in? And now I can plug in. I'm not dividing by 0 anymore. So if I plug in, I get 1 divided by the square root of 4 plus 2. And so I get 1 over 2 plus 2, and so my answer works out to be 1/4. And so that will be the limit of this function. As a way of checking this, you could graph this on your calculator and make sure that as x approaches 4, the y-coordinate is indeed getting closer to 0.25. But that's the algebra to confirm that that is the answer for this question.